Today, I'll show you how to connect Salesforce CRM to N8 and so you can automate your workflows effortlessly. Start by opening N8N and going to the credential section in the left sidebar. Click Create New and select Salesforce. Then choose your authentication method, OAuth 2 or JWT. For OAuth 2, log into Salesforce, go to Setup, then App Manager and create a new connected app. Set the callback URL to your N8N auth redirect and give full access plus refresh token permissions. Note the consumer key and secret, then enter them in N8N with your Salesforce username and password. For JWT, generate a private key and certificate. Create a connected app in Salesforce using the same callback URL and scopes. Upload the certificate and enter the info in N8N. Click Save and your Salesforce credentials are now securely connected. You are ready to automate tasks, sync data, and streamline your workflows. And that's it. Salesforce is now integrated with N8N. Happy automating.